All right, welcome to our DGP Week 6 Helpful Hints on Monday. And this is a very long sentence we have. So, he who lost hundreds of games and missed thousands of shots. So, like we always do, go through and find all your nouns. Then decide if they're going to be common, not specific, proper, specific, or possessive showing ownership. Then find your pronouns. Now, we just took notes on different types of pronouns, so there's going to be some in here that you need to find. So I want you to tell me, what type of pronoun is it? Is it personal, demonstrative? Is it reflexive, intensive? Okay. Then tell me if it's in the past, present, or future. And then tell me if it's a personal pronoun, then you should be able to tell me if it's first, second, or third person. Okay. Verbs. Find the verb and tell me if it's helping, linking, action, and then tell me if it's past, present, or future. Find your adverbs, words that describe verbs, adverb. Adjectives are the same, but they describe nouns, they're pronouns. Articles are little tiny words that fill in the spots like a, and the. Preposition has our word position. It's a position word or location word. So position, location, and time. Like think about it. If the squirrel ran blank the tree, if it fits into that blank, the squirrel ran through the tree, then that is a preposition. And our conjunctions. Conjunctions add our two sentences together. So coordinating are fanboys, for, and, nor, yet, or, but, so. Subordinating happen if it's a complex sentence, normally in the beginning or sometimes in the middle, like unless, because. And then correlative, we haven't learned yet. So do not worry about that. And interjections, do not worry about that for now. However, just know that they are coming. So good luck. Type your answers down at the bottom. And if you need help, please see me.